Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ripon Islam. I am a professional web developer and WordPress specialist. Hope you are all well. I have more than 4 year experience in this field. I have successfully completed over than 170 plus WordPress website development and web design project. Today I built a easy project. This project is to convert from Figma to WordPress website. Here I have only used most popular Elementor page builder, 100% responsive and picture perfect design. So let's get started. Here, this my WordPress website. I am use my local host. Okay, so this local host I am use this only Elementor plugin, Elementor free and paid. So I'm click here install plugin. So first time I'm show this use this plugin. So this Elementor and Elementor Pro. Okay, so let's start this my Figma file, Figma design. So I only use this as a one page landing page because many this page already same to same. Then I will create only one page. This is a here uh, header section, and this hero section, this section, this team member section, and this footer section. Very nice, but this is very easy as a project. Okay, so then I will create this my project. So this is my Elementor. I will convert Figma to WordPress website. Use Elementor page builder. This is website. This is my XD file. This is my Figma file, and I will convert WordPress website using Elementor. So Elementor, this my header section, this hero section, this team member section, this video section, this team member, this the client section, all testimonial. This is uh, contact page. Then this header section. So I start click now edit with Elementor. So open my editor backend. Okay, so this section I will create this hero section, one section, and section only use this icon, SVG icon. Okay, this header section, this two column, one section, and inner section, two inner section, this inner section, and this header, this text, and this button, this icon and video button, and this section and this section only contact page. I will use this Elementor free from, and this Google Map, and this site logo, social media, and footer section. Footer only three column, one column use image and social, and second column use heading and menu section, and this contact info, this section. If you like this video, there you must like, share and comment. Okay, have have a good day.